This building was started in 1917. It was dedicated October 21st, 1923. The leadership had a number of discussions as to go ahead with restoring this building. It has taken some time to be able to get here. It has needed it for a number of years, and I have been amazed. Never knew this building really looked like this, and I'm very appreciative of all the work that has been done.
When we write proposals, and I meet with different building owners and different people, and we talk about some of this stuff, like the stories that I hear of what other people have told them about how this situation occurs and how they're going to clean it, it kind of shocks me, honestly. And you can really cause a lot of damage if you go in and attack something without attacking the root cause of the problem. So with our process, we go in and assess to know exactly what we need in order to clean each surface without causing damage. What you end up having happen is you get this mix. And it's called lichens, and you can see them all over this building. You can't pressure wash them off because the roots go into the stone. So you actually have to sanitize the exterior of the building in order to kill that, to kill both of those microorganisms. And then once you kill them, you can remove them fairly easily. The chemical solutions that we use, we can do with extremely low pressure. Our competitors would have probably blown off all of the areas, and there are several that have just over the years have failed on the exterior of this building. Now, when you drive by this building, there are still areas where there's some stone flaking, and it's still flaking. We cleaned the flaking stone because we didn't want to change the exterior of the building other than cleaning it. We wanted to keep it intact.
I think the restoration of any building, and ours is now one of them, is going to enhance the downtown Main Street area. I'm hoping people will come down Main Street and say, look at that building, and they're pointing at this building. But it's also going to bring them to this community. So that would be my hope, that what this restoration project would do.